Hey, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Tracy and this is A Girl with Plans. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I set up for the week ahead in my planners. All right, so when it comes to actually decorating my weekly spreads, I do that typically a week or so in advance. But on the weekend prior to the upcoming week, I will go ahead and actually plan in my planner. I don't always put everything in there because, especially like with my job related stuff, a lot of those things get scheduled as the week goes on versus being scheduled far in advance. So I have to leave room for that, but I can schedule my weekly to-dos. I can do like a kind of a generic fitness type schedule and things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through how I plan out my week. I try to get my meal planning done on Thursday, so I have enough time to pick up anything I need from the grocery store before I actually meal prep on Sundays. I'm currently using this filler paper from the Happy Planner, which was part of the Wrong Fitness accessory pack. I'm unsure if it's still available, but if it is, I will try to link that down in the description box. Now, in these white boxes on the left-hand side, they were labeled Monday through Sunday. However, I took washi tape to cover that up because I meal plan differently. I choose a few breakfasts, lunches, and dinners that I want to have for the week, and then I'll just randomly have them whenever. For example, I cook for one person, just me. So for dinner, I will cook a dinner, and then I will usually have that the next day as well. So when it comes to planning fitness, I do minimal planning for the week, but I did get this planner insert page off of Etsy, and I use it to just jot down the general type of workouts I want to do for each day to kind of help me stay on track and maybe give me that extra push to actually follow through with the workouts. On this insert sheet, there's also some habits and some goals, so I kind of jot down what my goals are for the week, and as well as some habits that I like to track, such as what types of workouts I want to do, like yoga, stretching, strength training, cardio. Now we're moving into my catch-all planner, where I kind of jot down any like to-dos for the week. That could be anything from chores to errands that I know I need to run. Not necessarily on specific days, but just in the week in general. Like here I am jotting down like house chores that I need for the week, even though I'm writing that down on a Thursday. That is like weekly chore task. And now I'm going to kind of jot down some errands that I need to complete. That again can be done anytime throughout the week, but this is just a good spot for me to write that down. Now I do have a big box on the sidebar, and I also kind of write that down as things that I need to think about completing. It's not necessarily like a to-do task, but it's things that I need to kind of keep bringing to the forefront of my brain because it's going to have to be done sooner rather than later. Finally, there's my social media planner, which, like my catch-all, I kind of write down to-dos. These are a little bit more date specific of things I need to do on the specific days, but in general, it's just a to-do list. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. And I really want to thank all of you who have already subscribed to my channel. It really does mean a lot. All right, guys, that is all I have for now. So until next time, have a great day, evening, or night. Bye.